Alright guys, welcome back to another vlog. The wheels are in. It looks hella good, but the car is still dirty. So I'm a little bit lazy. I ain't gonna clean the car today. I'm gonna take it to the car wash. There it is. She's clean. Took you guys a second, but took me about an hour. Yeah. Tires look really good. I don't know if you guys see it. The sun is out really out. Let me go on this side. The sun is out pretty good. There we go. Little shade. Very nice. Yeah, I love it. Woo. Alright, so while we was away, got a delivery. I got my Vortex Generator. I got this from MAF Performance, but it's actually Rexpeed Carbon Fiber Vortex Generator, which is that box right there. I also got a couple little other parts from MAP Performance. Got some relays, starter relays and all that. Got a new little baby antenna. And let's open this bad boy and see what's in here. I wrapped it really good. So I got, here it is. It's carbon fiber. Looks like the big wing. I mean big fin. So that's how it looks. Alright. It also comes with the good 3M tape actually. I ripped it off, so gotta clean that up. Alright, we're gonna go do a test fit and then see how it looks like afterwards. Alright. We'll see. It's pretty windy, but it's pretty sunny out. I seen that you're supposed to use a heat gun like to heat up the tape, but don't have a heat gun, can't find a hairdryer, so that's what we're gonna do. Put this camera on the cool spool. Right. Backwards? Is it backwards? Actually, it fits pretty good. Popping up, but gotta tape it down, I guess. There it goes. It looks pretty good, right, guys? Yeah. Not too bad. All right, let me get the tape on and then push it down. So this is what my taping looked like. Maybe it's a little too much, I guess. No. It looks about right. Alright, now we're going to attach it. I think I should be fine without even using the heat gun. If not, it's a pretty expensive mistake. All right. Here we go. You good now? Okay. go. Hell yeah. Woo. Hella nice. Looks very good. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere. Let's put our new antenna on. Go grab it real quick. All right. Looks pretty decent, right? I mean, it's not bad for now, I guess. It's a lot better than the old one. So we got the difference. Huh? Big difference? I think this looks a lot better. Alright, let's put some new relays in. Alright guys, well, we got our new relays here, and we're going to replace some of our old factory ones. I'm going to replace this, and this. I have no idea what each one of those are. I just know that it's recommended to change these relays if you have this year Evo, or any pretty much any Evos. If you can upgrade your fuse or your relays, do it. I have the link below to a guy who actually knows more than I do, and he'll explain to you each one of them. But for me, I don't know what it is. Not gonna pretend I know what it is, because I don't. I just know that you should replace it, so I'm gonna replace it. And there we go. Relays have been replaced, and that's it for it. I'm gonna cover it up now. All right, looking good. All right, so we was gonna go to the car shoot, but I had other things to do. Had to pick up some stuff for Squirrel. Had to go pick up our tires. Tires are now back there in the shed. Like I said, the Vortex Generator looks really good. We got a bunch of other mods going on to the car. Can't wait to definitely put it on. Just pretty much hanging out here with my son, which is all the way over there. He's all the way over there, half naked. Hey Jonathan, say hi. You don't let his underwear on. We try to potty train him. Oh man. But yeah, oh yeah, this is the other thing. I went to AutoZone to try to fix this, but the thing I bought was pretty much cheap, and as soon as I tried to screw it on, it broke. So still got that messed up screw. Definitely I need to get that done. So for these badges here, this is gonna be gone and that's gonna be gone. I'm gonna leave that, and I'm gonna leave this. Probably gonna change this up or get a cover for it, but TLC is gonna definitely do it for me. I got an appointment next week with TLC to get a full detail and paint correction for the Evo. Can't wait to see the end result of it, but I know these guys are gonna do a pretty great job about it. I was gonna replace the Crazy Concept, because when you're behind like this you can't see it, but not gonna do that because we got a new spoiler coming. I'll let you guys know what it is in a couple next couple videos, but that's about it. This is gonna be done tomorrow or the next day. Not gonna get it done today, but yeah, thinking about replacing this to carbon fiber and replacing this J panel to carbon fiber. I think I'm gonna keep these mirrors. I might get a cover for it, but that's for there. I was thinking about a window trim, like one of those windows cover, but I don't know. I don't think I want to do it. We'll see. What else I got? Oh, I already ordered the lug nuts. Should be here in a day. Or so, also my access port, since I got the downpipe, check engine light went on. Got the access port coming. So got the Cobb access port coming, so can't wait to install that, and you know, get a whatever tune they have on it, is their stage 1 tune, before we have a chance to go to get a pro tune. Where you going, Jonathan? This is how I we feed my son every day. Either I'm chasing him or his grandfather's chasing him, grandmother's chasing him. Can't sit still. Little guy's just like me. Alright guys, also thanks for all the new subscribers. Appreciate for subscribing to the channel. I hope you like some of the content. You know, I hope I don't sound retarded most of the time, but I'm learning. I'm actually learning as I go. So yeah, what happened in the next 20 videos, we don't ever know, right? But again, thanks for subscribing, thanks for tuning into the vlog, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.